out of there. Caffeine. Oh. I don't like that. I don't like that. What up, Michelle? Charles Oliveira is going to be up the top again. How loud is that? It's going to be loud as fuck. We're here. We're ready to go. Let's get it. Let's get it. What up, Henry? How are we? A little bit smaller, like. Oh, thank you for the heart, me, Michelle. I appreciate that. I need to look at some Aussie pairs. Yep. Yep. Cash rate for the Australian dollar came out, so have a push on everything against the Australian dollar and possibly, obviously, not possibly, the drop, which we might see, depending on what pair we're at, we might just see a retracement back up, to be honest. Bit of movement today. Which we take. Fuck, I had the opportunity to get out of what was it? Fucking I made a bid, but I might get out of Euro USD. I'm getting out of Euro USD. We're at this big... Hold up. Let me get this shit fixed. We might get out of this because we might just get some rejection back out of here. We might sit in a range. Obviously, we got triple top here with a bit of support turned resistance. So I might just get out of this one. A decent profit. I'm just gonna get out of that. Yeah. Forex, mate. Forex. And indices, but I've been off the indices for a while just because of the market conditions, but I'll go back. Plus, I've been obviously doing a lot for the mentorship group, so just focusing on Forex has been pretty, it's been pretty good. These likes are spamming through. Let's fucking go. I can't believe how much we got yesterday. We were at like 63, 64K likes by the end of the fucking day. It was fucking crazy. What do we got today? 100K. That's not fucking happening. I could not be bothered staying on long enough to hit 100. 800 comments. We'll get that. We'll get that. Live for 300 minutes. Probably not. I'm not going live for fucking like almost 3 hours. I should hit that. And we're absolutely grilling recently. We only got this fucking tier 1, but I think we have a couple more tier 1s we can cash out. Oh, we got a tier 2. Fucking oath. We'll use that. We'll use that soon. Not that it fucking does anything, because TikTok hates me. But, you know. We got some tier 1s. We only need, what, 4 more. Can I drag this? No, 1, 2, 3, 5, 60, 4 more till we hit tier 3s, which means lots of viewers if TikTok wants to be nice to me, which they usually aren't. So, what can you do? TikTok are just haters. TikTok really are just fucking haters. Working hard. Working hard. Ty followed. Thank you very much, Ty. Appreciate that one. Let's get that shit off of your screen. Besides cash rate, there's not much going on today. Obviously the talks between, that came out early in the morning, talks with Trump and Putin happened. It was a lot more Trump talking. I actually didn't see that, but I did see Trump saying that he was talking to, he got off the phone to Putin and fucking Putin's gonna, yeah. Russia and Ukraine will immediately start negotiations towards a ceasefire. Putin call went very well. Russia wants large trade with the US when the war is over. Two leaders didn't discuss ceasefire timeframe, although Trump stressed his interest in reaching agreements quickly. Right, okay. That's interesting. Trump said sanctions are being prepared in US Senate, but he himself favors agreements and not sanctions. Zelensky. Oh my fucking God. Why haven't I seen any of this? I should have gone through this earlier, but I only just got home. Ukraine won't pull back troops from its territory. I mean, that's kind of fair enough. Second conversation was long and different in character. Ukraine will not withdraw troops from parts of its own territory or give into ultimatums from Russia. Not surprised. I hope meeting will happen as soon as possible. Well, I mean, fucking, what? It was months ago when they were fucking talking about ceasefire agreements and shit, and here we are again. When the fuck it's gonna happen, who knows? Bostic, we could pull forward actions if trade negotiations pick up. Whoa! Michelle! 7, you're awesome. You're awesome for giving me that. So I appreciate that a lot, Michelle. Thank you, thank you. Hello, Sienna. You ever seen a ghost? I could tell you a ghost story if you guys want. Wasn't particularly, I don't know if it was a ghost story, but it was about as close to it. It's fucking freaky. You want to know? I need one other confirmation that you want to hear a fucking ghost story. Again, it wasn't really a ghost story, but I don't know, it was scary. Hey, there's 2, I need 3. I need 3 confirmations and then I'll do it. Hey, it's not up to me. All right, Neil. All right. Iran's supreme leader, I don't think nuclear talks with the US will be successful. just happened. The US should avoid talking nonsense in talks. US demand that Iran stop enrichment is outrageous. Yeah. Anyway. Let's see. Ooh, speedy. Holy fuck. It's fucking Tuesday. Good job. I think you're in here. Yeah, fucking good job. Jesus fucking Christ. Alright. Man, I'll be for real. Nobody else responds to me. Thank you. No, of course, Jacob. No worries. Yeah, good job, Speedy. Fucking Jesus. That's nuts. Alright, I'll tell you the somewhat ghost story that wasn't particularly a ghost story. Kinda. What time is it? 6:17 p.m. Diana, thank you very much for following. Okay, ghost story. Okay. So I was younger. I was probably like 15, 16. And I was in an abandoned building. And I wasn't, I was young. I wasn't doing anything like, holy shit, we're 10K already? Sorry. Holy fuck, the rapid drop bear, Charles Oliveira, Michelle, holy fucking shit. We're at 10K, how are we at 10K? That doesn't even say 10K. Like, is that 5, 6.5? That doesn't even make sense, but I guess it's probably just still going up. Anyway, so I was in this abandoned building. I was young. I was like 15, 16. I wasn't doing anything fucking good, right? I was being a bit naughty. And, I was with one of my mates. And the door, there was a door directly behind us, just fucking slammed, right? Slammed like crazy right behind us. And then we were just like frozen because there was nothing. It just there was no wind, no fucking nothing. It was just slammed behind us. And we were like, what the fuck? And then we were just waiting. And we were stood there in this corner for like fucking 15 minutes. And then you could hear just walking on glass, because there was lots of smashed glass everywhere, just walking on glass, and we were absolutely shitting ourselves. Most scary thing I've ever fucking been through. And we were just like, we don't know what's happening, if it's like a junkie, if it's a ghost, because, we were a little bit younger. We were absolutely fucking shitting ourselves. It was terrifying. And then we sat there for, I don't even fucking know how long in the end, ages, 20, 30 minutes, some shit like that. And then we just grabbed our shit and got the fuck out of there. It's absolutely fucking terrifying. Pinky, thank you very much for following me. You like that William Gibb bloke? Yeah, I get that a lot. Sienna, thank you very much for spam sharing the live. Alright, too many times. Chill, Sienna, chill. I'm gonna have to. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Holy shit. Too many times. And yes, William Gibb, I get the Will Gibb 50 fucking times a day. Even when I'm in public. Will Gibb. If I'm out drinking, can I take a photo of you? You look like Will Gibb. It's like, bro, chill. I know. I'm the handsome version, but, Alrighty. CPI. Space koalas. The rapid drop bear. 4 fucking space koalas. We get some donations today. That's fucking crazy. I do love getting a donation here and there. Gives me boost the mood. So thank you very much, the rapid drop bear, for 4 space koalas. I appreciate that a lot. CAD CPI expecting a drop month on month. The rest are forecasted to be the exact same. What are you in, Speedy? What pairs? Fucking hell, man. Thank you very much for the 40 Space koalas. That's fucking super kind of you. I appreciate that. Your 4 exams coming up? Fuck that. Euro. I mean, unless there's something catastrophic in this, I wouldn't be too worried about that tomorrow. You might be out. PMIs absolutely need to be concerned about that. If you're still in on Thursday, you'll get some movement off of this. But it depends what the crosses are as well. It'll be fine. So yeah, no, don't even stress about it. You'll be good. I actually saw something the other day. Let me actually try to get this up. Oh, please don't play. Okay. I don't know if I liked it on this account. It wasn't on this account. Log out. Oh, fucking hell. Okay. Let me find out. I'll get this video up, because even though it didn't really resonate with me, because I'm not in fucking school, but I saw this and can resonate with anyone. Just give me a wee little second, lassie. I just gotta sign in on the fucking computer. Okay, I can't fucking... Okay, there we go. Where is the music? Let me pause this shit and then I'll show you. What up, Aries? I don't know. I just thought this was cool. It's like, nothing really matters. We're in like a cosmic fucking blink. Holy shit, Speedy. That's way too exposed. That's way too many pairs. You gotta turn some off. You need to turn some off. Fucking hell. Okay, Jesus fuck. Let's go through some of them from a technical standpoint. Second. Yeah, Ari jumping in, coming to say g'day. Wait, fuck. Was there something I needed to reply? Have I forgotten? No. Pretty sure I did. Oh wait, no. I did reply. Okay. Can I rate your pin video? Yeah, right. It's a nice setup. I like it. And it's a pretty cool edit too. Good job, brother. Joined. Oh, what up, Sienna? Okay, if I saw you spamming that, I actually wouldn't have done that. So, yeah, don't spam that shit. But nice video. I was waiting for them to close so I could buy it. Added more. I don't know, what? When absolutely not. Oh, right, yeah. Waiting for them to close. So I could, but it added more. Right, okay, yeah. Well, that's the thing. You gotta, you gotta turn multiple off and just, you can't have that many. And the euro exploded. There's too many euro pairs. But we'll go through them. And we'll have a look. So we'll start with euro odd. Well, yeah, I mean, the Australian dollar has fucking shit itself, so it's not ideal. Nah, actually, fuck this. Before I do this, I need to get rid of everything. I literally need to get rid of everything. This is fucking absolutely atrocious. Okay. Because I cannot find shit ever. Fuck. Spend half my time trying to look for the fucking pairs people want to look at. Okay. Gold all the way down the bottom, pound USD. Tricky here. I think there was another one that didn't make sense. There we go. Okay. You're odd. Oh, you're on 5 minute too. Fucking hell. Well, we will most likely get a retracement off of this. Which I'm talking about in the new. You're gonna be a fucking expert in this shit after this new masterclass. Trust me, it's so in depth. So we will probably get a retracement back down. I'd be looking for these levels, but I don't know where the fuck your TP will be. I don't know where your TP is. Or are you out of that? I don't know. Anyway, you're a CAD. Fuck, you're in a lot there. Which I'd be scared about tonight, because CPI, this could move immensely off of CPI. So I'd be very speculative of this. You know, if you're only in EuroCAD or some shit, it'd be fine. You'd be able to survive that. But fuck, man, you're in so much shit. Euro pound. What are we in? Sells too? Oh, it's fucking 5 minute. And CAD yen. I mean, you're only in 12% drawdown, so that's not that bad. Like, I wouldn't be sweating. It's just CPI and shit tonight I'd be fucking worried about. We're just gonna have to hope we get down here. I don't know where your TPs are, so hopefully get down to this little range here. Take out this gap, pump back up maybe. We are contracting. So obviously, oh, this is Euro pound. What the fuck? Are you even in Euro pound? All right, yeah, you are. We're contracting. What usually happens when there's a contraction. Let me get my pen up. So we do kind of these ones. Usually shoots off in one direction, so. But we are in the 5 minute. I'd be looking for potentials down here, but we do have a lot of rejection from these sorts of levels. And then now we're rejecting off of here, so we might be up a bit, up to these levels again, and then maybe I'd be wanting to get in around here, and then it's probably what's going to happen. You never know. What else we got? A lot of Euro USD, which again, the US dollar moves with the CAD, so vice versa. So there might be a bit of movement on the Euro US dollar today, but that is good. I actually just got out of Euro USD's long due to, you know, we got fucking levels up here that we were rejecting off of, so we might see some volume short down to potentially these levels, hopefully, for your sake. We still got 4 hours till CPI, so we can possibly see a bit of movement back down, and then, I mean, you're on the 5 minute chart, so you should be well out by that point. That's what we can hope for. And US dollar yen, I got fucking no idea. That's decent buy. That's a decent buy. I wouldn't be mad with that. Although we are still slowly rolling down on this downtrend, so we have just tapped into this gap right here, and we might get a rejection out of there. On other brokers, that'll be filled, so you can basically write that one off as filled. And then again, I don't know, oh fucking hell, I don't know where your TP is, but if we can get a strong rejection back up, we might be looking at these levels here, I guess. We're rejecting off of there, and we might just keep going down. Hopefully we can double bottom, W pattern back up. Not sure though, that's a lot of exposure. I'd be fucking a wee bit scared, laddie. So yeah, anyway, let's have a look. Comments. Wait, on my other account, can I rate my pinned the one of the eye? I don't know. Absolutely agree. If I had my computer at work, I would have closed them. All right, yeah. That's the thing with doing lower time frames is, like, when you have a full-time job and stuff, it's just fucking, you can get caught out like that very, 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 very easily and very, 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 very quickly. What up, Taxman? How are we? Core wave tonight. Core weave. I don't know what that is. What are you looking at? Forex. Junic Fritz, thank you very much for following. How much do you put down in a day trade? What? Order flow kind of guy. I like the name. Thank you very much for following me. Appreciate the feedback. All good. No stress. Is it pattern trading if I drew a trend line? Yeah. But don't do that. Marta, thank you very much for following. Who do you recommend watching if you're new into trading? This fucking guy. That's what I'm here for. Oh. Yes. look, just an eye. Nice eye. 26,000 fucking likes by 30 minutes. Good fucking job, guys. Good job. And you know what we're gonna do? We'll chuck a little... That was me, that was you. We'll chuck a little flare up, maybe get some more people, maybe not, maybe get suspended, maybe not, who gives a shit? Any trades today? I don't think so. I don't think I've had any today. Trade recap from yesterday? I don't think I got out of anything. All I got out of was US dollar, Euro US dollar today. I'm not like a scalper, so I'm not in and out fucking 24/7. But I got out of this just before, just because we got these rejection levels here. I'm in profit. Lots of fucking support turn resistance up here, so we might be happy trading at these levels. I don't want to get back down here and just be sitting around here for ages, so getting swap fees, so I'm out. Understanding the terminology is a big part to us, I assume. Yeah, to an extent. The problem is everyone, and especially when ICT and all this SMC fucking bullshit started coming out, made it very difficult for a lot of people who have known these terminologies as something different, right? Like, the terminologies just get renamed by a bunch of fucking people to sell their shit and to sound fucking smarter and all this rubbish. It's fucking stupid. I get suspended again. Nah, I'm being pretty good. I'm being pretty good. I'm trying not to. What do you use to trade on? MT4, and I use Black Bull Markets as my broker. SYTA gonna sell off today. I have no idea what the fuck that is. SYTA. I don't know what the fuck that is. Some random company in the NASDAQ. I don't know. It's had a bit of a pump, I guess. Sayata Mobile. Yeah, I don't trade stocks, so I don't know. I don't know any of that shit. Justin, thank you very much for following. What's your main two strategies? So I use my main strategy is dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, and martingale all together into a bot that I developed. That's my main strategy on Forex. I trade 20 to 28 different pairs. And my other one is an opening range breakout of the indices. But I'm not trading that at the moment because I don't like how the markets are kind of opening. The opens have been real fucked up recently. So I canned that maybe like 6 weeks ago or some shit. I don't even fucking remember now. And I'll just wait till everything's kind of chilled out and then, oh shit. The taxman reached member level 10, whatever the fuck that means. I think that's a member level. He's got to be like up there as number 1. Do you use a VPN? Nah, I use a VPS. What are you trading? Options? CFDs. I don't trade options. Can you just pick any broker? You can, yeah. But I highly recommend not doing that. Brokers are a fucking absolute nightmare. Absolute nightmare. And unregulated brokers and everything, they're just fucked. So you gotta be very cautious. I've done all the research. If you're in Australia, I don't know where you're from, but if you're in Australia, just Black Bull Markets, just safe, easy. That's just who I recommend. VPS, yeah. Where do you get your knowledge from? I had multiple mentors. Almost all of them did absolutely nothing, but I eventually found one. After a while, I got a lot of knowledge from him. Did like Baby Pip's course, I've watched every fucking video under the sun about trading like years ago, and yeah, it's kind of where I've been doing this for quite some time. How to know when the market opens. You can just Google it from your time frame to when, time zone to when the London market or New York open is, or Asia. It means I stalk you. Nice. Yeah, that's cool. What the fuck? You have like two things next to you. I've never seen that. I've literally never seen that. Having like the two dots next to you, or two lines next to your name. That's fucking cool. Good job. Thank you. Is Webull a good start to... Good place to start trading in US? I don't know. It looks good. They're regulated with the SEC, so that's what matters. The problem is you have issues with trading in the US, being you need to deposit like a shitload of money for starters, like 20 grand or some shit, and then what's the other problem? You get fuck all leverage. That's the other thing. You get virtually no leverage. So yeah. You're in USA? Whereabouts? I'm trying to get some US contacts because I'm trying to go over the US soon. So if you're in the US, follow me. I'm trying to link up with some people in the US. Yeah, the US is hard. Orlando's probably the best option for you guys. Otherwise, you'll have to go offshore, and I highly recommend not going offshore because they're sketchy as fuck. Unregulated brokers, you got no protection, it's fucking sketchy as shit. So Orlando's probably my recommendation for US clients, but it's just difficult because they only give, I think, 1 to 40 leverage, which is just not enough depending on what sort of strategy you have. So yeah, it's really difficult in the US. You kind of have to go offshore if you want something with high leverage. However, yeah, I don't know. It's fucking difficult. Speed, are you out of this one yet? Fucking hell. If you're in profit, I'd can this. I'd get out absolutely anything you can before CAD CPI. Euro, US dollar. Because you're in a bit of drawdown on that. Nah, you wouldn't even be fucking close, would you? Fucking hell. Fuck. What's your TP? I want you out of that as soon as possible. I want you out of fucking everything, to be honest. Fuck, your drawdown has gone way down, which is good. I mean, that's good. That's a lot better. There's been a bit of a crash, but I presume gonna go straight back up. Let's have a look. FYP, thank you for 3 roses. Appreciate that. Oh, I gotta catch up. Can you please look at stock core weave? I know you don't do stocks, but it may be worth it. Yeah, I'll have a look. Just remind me. Oh, you're not getting out of that. Fucking hell, that's a big... Is that for 1% profit? What's that for? Fuck, I can't remember your settings. I just keep monitoring over the next couple of hours, and as little drawdown, like as flat as you can get, I'd take it. Yeah, that's 1%, isn't it? I hope so. Yeah, if you can get out well before that, I'd do it. I would get the fuck out of that. And you can use, like, don't be scared, and I talk about this also in the masterclass that I'm doing for you guys. We use the constant banking that we take to mitigate drawdown as well. So we can cancel out some of these and use our profits to cancel out some of these positions that might be a little bit too risky. That's completely fine. You don't need to just bank 24/7 and wait for the profits to roll in, especially with what you're doing, which is like just like aggressive scalping. You can use some of your profits to take losses and still, dude, you're up so fucking much for this month. It's actually insane. Like, I would not be worried about closing out some positions in a little bit of a loss. That's fine. You're up so fucking much that it just, I know it looks really good on paper and everything, and it's hard to take some of those profits out and use some of your losses to mitigate some of your fucking drawdown. I mean, profits to mitigate some of your drawdown, but it's how we trade and it's how we have to do it. And that's something that I do go through. So yeah, don't be afraid to do that. Do you do mentoring? I do, yes, I do. The links are in my bio. 30K. Fuck yeah, 34K. Fucking insane. E-profitable, absolutely. He does mentorship, yes, highly recommend, yes. Visionary AI Reels is Speedy. That's what I'm saying, Speedy a million times. He's like my star fucking student, you could say. I don't want to call people students, but absolutely killing it. What do you think is the best platform to start on? MT4. I'm in NQ breakout long. Pre-market? Do you do a mentorship? I'm in the US. Yep. It's the links are in my bio. Yeah. Jump in. I do mentorships, one-on-one calls, whatever the fuck you need. I'm keeping it small so I can do one-on-one calls and tailor it to you. So yeah, it doesn't matter if you're in the US or not. FYB Hunter. I've actually got someone who's in the US who I talk to all the time, who I'm mentoring at the moment. FYB Hunty, thank you for following me. I'm in the US Forex. 1 to 500 leverage KOT Forex. Is that a US, like, do they take US clients? Because I would love to have a broker that has some regulations that can take on US clients. I don't give a fuck about fucking whatever it's called, affiliate shit. I just want to be able to recommend a decent one to them. Spoon Dinaroo. Thank you very much for following me. Okay, another question. Can you trade crypto within the US? Yeah. I need one-on-one training, bro. Of course, yeah. And that's what I do. And I don't fuck around. I'm not full of shit. I'm not going to tell you you're going to make fucking $1 trillion and all that shit. Like, I'm the most fucking honest cunt that's doing this shit. What up, Xander? Yeah, how are you? Oh, shit. Sorry. You're probably already fucking gone already. See you later. Sorry about that. Oh, my God, Tommy. I actually can't say that because I will get suspended. That's why I keep getting suspended for saying shit like that. I can't say it anymore. Andrew Tape followed. Oh my God, dude, DM me. We should link up. Oh my God. How do we get a bot to trade? Well, you either buy one or you join my mentorship and get it for free. They can cost a shitload of money though. And you can get free ones, but they're absolute dog shit and don't work. But I feel like I should give as much value as I possibly can, and people charge hundreds. I've seen EAs, which is what they're called, but bots, I've seen them sell for thousands of dollars. You get it free in the mentorship. Lucas. What's good? How are we? Respect. How do you even start? Bro, go to my Discord, watch the 1 hour beginner's video on getting started. It's just absolute basics, nothing crazy. It'll explain some shit in there. And if not, if you don't want to fucking do that, just go to babypips.com/4x, I think, or I don't know, the Baby Pips 4x course. I did it. It's fucking long, but it's very in depth. It'll teach you a bunch of shit that you probably don't need to know, but it's better to know it than to not know it. Guys, we're at 36,000 fucking likes already. That is absolutely fucking insane. Maybe we do hit the 100K today. I doubt it. There's no fucking way. But it's fucking nuts. It's absolutely insane. We've already reached like the majority of our shit for the week. Except for this. Unless we have like fucking Josh or... If Josh or fucking... Oh my God. Fletcher. Jesus Christ. If Josh or Fletcher comes in, we hit that 5,500 easy. They'll send me like fucking 300,000. But yeah, we're probably not hitting that. Live on 2 days. We'll get that. 300 minutes. We'll get that. 800 comments. We probably won't get today. And 100,000 likes. We probably won't get today either. But that's okay. That's fucking fine. We are killing it right now. So thank you guys very much for supporting, liking. I do really appreciate it. Being a smaller streamer is quite difficult, but yes. What are some good investments for the summer? I don't really do long-term investments, so I don't want to give you like shit advice or shit investments, but we were looking at this one fucking yesterday, which I was meant to throw some money in, but I didn't end up doing that, and I wish I fucking did. But I don't really know too much about stocks or long-term investing. That's not my forte. So, United Health. Man, I don't know. This just looks good. On paper, looks good, you know. Whenever you see some shit like that, usually you invest in it. But, yeah, I don't know. Discord, yep, I got a Discord. Free Discord, links in the bio. If you go to my bio, click the 3 dots at the top right to put it into an external browser. Most likely TikTok will just send you the app store or some shit to download Discord. I also have a mentorship. Join it, don't join it. I don't really give a fuck. The smaller the better anyway, with people in there, so I can tailor it to their needs. But yeah, I got all that shit, YouTube, everything. So all the links are in my bio. This is a sign the top is in then. What? Am I missing something? Thank you, Lucas. I can help you implement trading bots into your venture. I developed my own and use my own, so I'm all sweet with that. But thank you, I appreciate that. FYB Hunty shared, thank you very much. Audi the King followed, thank you very much. I'm good at trading. I pretend I'm straight for my boyfriend's family and he buys me. Jesus Christ. That's pretty funny. But yeah, fuck it. If it works, it works. Elijah, thank you very much for following. Bro, did you see NASDAQ recover from its drop when we looked at it last night? No. I haven't been paying too much attention to indices at all because I'm not trading them. But let's have a look. What the fuck are they? I'll get all these off actually because I want them. FTSE, Dow Jones. Wow. Wow. See, that is textbook opening range breakout. Just fucking boom. Absolute textbook opening range breakout. You would have, if you were using that strategy last night, you would have made a killing. Oh, fucking hell, you would have made so much money on that. If you could catch it. Holy shit, everything pumped like crazy. We take that. Bird chop. Heart me and a tofu. Thank you very much. One small step to our 5,500 fucking coins. So thank you very much, Bird Chop. I appreciate that a lot. And thank you very much for sharing as well. Welcome. Trading bots are so gay. Sure, mate. No worries. He pretends we're not dating. I get to drive his Lotus on the weekends. Take that. My boy, did I tell you? Yeah, you did. I think. I don't know. I actually can't remember who exactly it was, but it probably was you, yeah. Hey, how can I buy all your stocks? I want to buy all your stock. What? Can AU go down? It has been. What are you talking about? It's been crashing. Bzz. 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 A little bit. Nothing crazy, but yeah. PA of doom and despair. Are you looking at NQ? I was. How's the live? It's good, Bird Chop. It's been very good. Look, we're at almost 40k likes and it hasn't even been a fucking hour. How cracker. What trading is that? 4x right now, I mean, in a short. A random spot to get in a short. I don't know what time frame, but I could see it coming down to these lows, taking out some of this, maybe coming down here and then boosting back up, but we are what it looks like to be in a little bit of a contraction, potentially. We'll see how this plays out, because it can do that, or it can do that. Who knows? We'll see. It does kind of look like it's contracting. Who knows? Oh, 5 minute. I don't know what pair. You just said Aussie dollar. I don't know which one, but it's pretty much the same here. No, seems like we're contracting. Bzzz, and then pop off in another direction. We might be waiting for, the Canadian CPI, depending on which one you're fucking trading, I suppose. But that might be a bit of news tonight. Is that gold trading? No, I don't trade gold. Matthew, thank you very much for following me. Omji, yeah, so many likes. Holland Nolly, yeah, 40 fucking K. We hit 40K before 1 hour. That's fucking nuts. That is absolutely fucking insane. We'll probably beat, last night we got like 64K likes. We'll probably beat that. Like, surely we beat that. What platform? MT4. Broker is Black Bull Markets. I actually appreciate you aren't full of it like the rest of the traders on this app. Thank you very much. Yes, I really try not to do that. Actually, I don't even need to try, but I've always fucking hated them. And it just makes me mad, like, seeing these fucking people and just, like, the information that they fucking give out. It's like, bro, like, I don't know. It just makes me mad. 5 minute time frame. Yeah, I don't know which pair exactly it is, but yeah. Would you consider yourself Albert Einstein? Absolutely fucking not. I'm too handsome. Why is it fucking... I don't know why it's doing that. Weird. Thank you, Bert Chop, for the rose and the heart puff as well. I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate that so much. Wait. One more like. No way. That's fucking... Holy shit. You guys have absolutely killed it. Michelle and Charles Oliveira's burner is about to hit 10 fucking thousand likes. He's at 9,999. That is fucking absolutely insane, and I really appreciate it. And my viewership was going up like crazy. I'm getting more viewers than I would usually, so thank you very much. Thank you. A lot. One more like. Yeah, bro, fucking nuts. Do it. I'm watching. Hit it. Michelle's gonna overtake ya. Thank you very much. That's fucking super. Like, that's a lot of effort. So fucking good job. Thank you everyone for liking, like, fucking absolute crazy. Nuts. Mean reversion. Yes, that is how I trade. Motivational coach. What? Let's get this man to 100K likes. That won't happen. That's too much to ask for as well. But thank you guys, like, a lot. Fucking hell. What up, Sleepy? How many boyfriends have you had? Too many to count, bro. Michelle hit 10K. Holy fuck. I don't know how you guys are allowed to do that now. They must have got rid of these caps. It's fucking nuts. Someone tell me what liquidity is. Just Google it. Liquidity is liquid you drink. That's fucking absolutely insane. I actually cannot believe you guys have done that. Where are we at? Just give me 1 sec. I'm just gonna do some... Oh shit! What up, Wizzy Killex? And how can I start Forex? Sorry, I actually completely missed my YouTube chats. I apologize. How can I start Forex? Links in my bio on my YouTube description thing. Yes. Links in YouTube description. Or just go on my... Actually, you're already on YouTube. Just go on my YouTube and watch the 1 hour video. on how to get started. Well, there's a short version as well, but it kind of sucks. Better off. Oh, user 115. That is super interesting. Is there a translate button? Hi. I hope you can help me. Thank you. How can it be executed in the software? An order can be gradually taken profit and stopped loss, or an order can be closed in separate orders. Executed in the software. An order can be gradually taken profit and stopped loss. Or can it... You can do... I mean, I don't know if that translation's fucked, but you can take partial profits. You can put a trailing stop on. And you can... I mean, yeah. I mean, I guess that kind of answers the question. How many people doubted you? Everyone. Any money in crypto? Yeah, a little bit. Jesus! Send me an ice cream cone. Thank you very much. Benjamin Vlogs. What's the best day you have had? And the worst profit and loss? Benjamin, I had a killer. It was like the end of November. Sorry, the end of October, start of November, US dollar yen in October 2023. That was my best. And it wasn't just a day. I haven't had like one day where I've been like, oh my God, fucking crazy, because I capitalize on small profits. Where are we? The fuck? Should be back here. I fucking have to go on the daily. Yeah. I caught like that whole move. Which didn't seem like a lot, but I like full ported it. It was not advisable to do this, but yeah. I got in like right at the top here. I guess it was November. And then just fucking almost all the way down. And the worst was just a fuck up. It was literally a fuck up. Where pending orders were meant to be deleted and they weren't deleted and the market fucking absolutely crashed. And it was fucked. So, yeah. That was that. Holy shit! Holy fuck! Another ice cream cone, a TikTok, a GG, and a rose. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm all in on XLM, HBAR, and XRP. Am I missing any? I'm not the crypto guy. Like, I'm not well versed in crypto. So I won't tell you what, I'm just not that guy. So, wrong channel, you probably have to go find someone who's super well versed in crypto to get that sort of advice or whatever, because I'm just not, yeah, not for me. On your mentorship, do we have to use a certain broker for the bot? I've only ever tested it on black bull markets, but when developing it, I took into consideration other brokers, so yeah. I should test it on other brokers just in case other people want to throw it on there, but I haven't. I've only ever used black bull markets because I don't know why the fuck anyone else would use any other broker for Aussies. I guess for US guys. Actually, somebody in the US is using it right now, so I'll ask. I think he hasn't said anything about it, so should be sweet. What up, Levi? How are we? How you doing? Day trading seems like too high risk for me. I'm adding 20k per year plus profits into my portfolio. It's pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's not for everyone. It is high risk. It is high risk. And it depends how, like, scalping. So sitting here on the 5 minute fucking, or the 1 minute is just there's too much chop. people try to time their entries. It's fucking impossible. It's not impossible, but it's extremely unlikely. I've been around many profitable traders, and the percentage of profitable traders that can sit on the 5-minute fucking charts and shit like that and actually time their entries consistently is so fucking minute. It is so minute. So I just wouldn't. Day trading is just so fucking hard for scalping small time frames. So fucking hard. That's why all these fucking people that come out here saying, oh fucking yeah, no, 5 minute, 1 minute time frame, yeah, no, this perfect entry, put your stop here, but nah, I don't buy it for a fucking second. I've been around this industry too long. So yes, when was your last loss? Fuck, I don't even remember. It would have been on the indices. So it was probably a month and a half ago. Which sounds super unrealistic. Well, the thing is I kind of take losses on a lot of my trades, but they're in a basket. So on one pair, I'll explain really quick. So on one pair, I scale in. This is just a random example. This is not exactly how it goes, but say I get in here, and then I get in here again, and I'm only risking 0.1%, right? And then there's my break even, and then I get in here, and then my break even, is maybe around here, something like that. And then let's say my take profit is, okay, fuck it. Let's say my break even's here. Let's just say for argument's sake, my break even's here, and my take profit is here. These two will be in a loss, but this one will be in so much profit because I've scaled in at a 1.3x multiplier that the profits from this one far outweighs this one and this one. So this entire position, I'm in profit. Oh shit, you can't see my fucking screen. Fuck! I just explained. Okay, let me explain it again. Sorry. Alright, so, fuck, my bad. So, let's say we take a position here and a position here. We've got our break-even level here, and then we take a position here, and then for argument's sake, this is just a random shit, right? Our break-even is here, and our take profit, literally just for argument's sake, is going to be here. It won't actually be. Our break-even there, take profit here. This one's going to be in a slight loss. This one's going to be in a slight loss. This one, because we've scaled it in a 1.3x multiplier, is going to far outweigh this loss and this loss. So this entire position is a winner, right? So even though we've taken 2 losses on this one, we've actually made a fucking profit and we've made money on the entire position. Make sense? Hopefully. Very unconventional way of trading, but it fucking works. Because you're never going to fucking see this shit on the internet. Because it's a gate kept. I need help learning. Join the Discord or the mentorship if you want to take it a step further. Mentorship. If you're just floating around or whatever, just join Discord. Free Discord. Send me any message for free. It's fine. What are the odds you send me $100? 0. How long you been at it? And are you familiar with TJR? I am familiar with TJR, and I've been doing this for almost 5 years. Yeah, I'm not really the biggest fan of him, to be honest. He's good. He's a good marketer and he's a good content creator, but yeah. You're behind me? Sweet. Just where I want you. Yeah, sorry, Lucas. Hi guy, what up? Trade B. Send me 20. What the fuck? I'm gonna fucking ban you if you keep asking for money from people. How you going? How am I trading? Good. Nice, man. Over 10k today. Sweet. Good job. Time to copy your trades, bro. Nah, I don't do copy trading. Copy trading's horseshit. 50k likes. We're at 52 fucking k likes. Holy shit. We're trading Forex. Where in Oz are you at, bro? Brisbane. I'm so curious to know the amount you actually make per trade because you only risk 0.1, which goes up cents. Yeah, I mean, it's not a small amount, but I'm not disclosing that because it doesn't fucking matter. NQ. I can look at NQ. I mean, I don't think there's much going on right now. Just pre-market, fucking chop. Typical. And then we'll see if we get a break back down or if we continue to shoot up. We shall see. Which... we could see, you know, all-time highs this week, maybe. That's a huge possibility. Just get up to all-time highs. This would be a fantastic day to long, because we're right in the middle of this range. Everyone's going to want to get up to all-time highs again. Just a psychological thing. And then we'll probably get a bounce back. And then if we can break out of all-time highs, sky's the limit. We'll see. But I'm not trading indices at the moment. You have an accent. You only trade New York session or London too. It doesn't matter. I trade all the time because I'm trading Forex. It doesn't matter when I trade. But indices, I would trade New York and London. Yeah, both. And yeah, I'm Australian. What did you say about the music? Will Gibb. Yep. I'm getting into Forex now and learning. Nice. Good job. Is it too loud? You would hate my usual music. What's wrong with this? Get this off. This seems just... this is horrible. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm going back to... wait, why have I signed out? The fuck? I'm going back to my usual no, I can't do my usual playlist. I reckon half the people will fucking leave. I'm going back to lo-fi. It's... you know, everyone kind of likes lo-fi, so they can deal with it. Let's check the like counter. 12k from Michelle. Holy shit. That's fucking insane, Michelle. Thank you very much. I think it's caffeine time. An hour 15. I think it's caffeine time. I'll be back. You know what's weird that I've always noticed, right? This is so weird. Hold up. Any key advice you'd give? Don't listen to all the bullshit on the internet. Whoever's extremely popular, don't listen to them. Anyone flashing any bullshit, don't listen to them. It's not what trading's about. You'll spend the majority of your time in front of your computer. My profit is 15,000 today. Nice, if that's real. What was your biggest distraction? That's a great question, Lucas. It's a very great question. I was pretty focused. But I feel like the biggest deterrent from me, you know, becoming successful at trading quicker would probably just be having a job, to be honest. Because, man, that's fucking 8-9 hours of your day gone straight away. So I'd probably say that, you know, if you're in a position that you can not work and be able to work on something, then that's a lot better. The other thing is, like, you know, drinking and fucking carrying on and whatever. That's a deterrent that I still face now, you know, going out. Like, I went out on fucking Saturday night, got drunk, and Sunday I was fucking, couldn't do anything. I was disabled. So, yeah, just shit like that. But still, I don't care. I think people should be allowed to party and carry on and fucking do all that shit within moderation, you know. If I drink, it's only once a week. I don't drink during the week. I don't fucking have beers at lunch and fucking all this shit. It's just once a week, if that. Thank you for the heart me, Sienna. Forex bot recommendation, mine. If I ain't bad, but Jazz is definitely calmer. Good Jazz, not that shit. Yeah, that's a little better. Birchop, ice cream cone, rose, heart puff, tofu, rose. Fucking hell. Birchop going ham with the gifts. We've gotten so many gifts. 2 more heart puffs. We've gotten so many. Oh my God. Matty B with the fucking heart me. We've gotten so many fucking gifts today. I mean, to be fair, like 75 diamonds is like, I think that's like $1 or some shit. If that. 77. But, like, doesn't matter. It's the support that you guys give me that fucking matters. Like, fucking crazy. I think my biggest day was like 45,000 or some shit. Yeah, that was fucking insane. But those days are long gone. Thanks. I'm back. What up? Inbox me. I can assist you financially. Who is this fucking guy? Nah. See, that's the sort of shit that you can't fall into the trap of. Goodbye. I already blocked him, Sienna, but yeah, thank you. Yep. You can't fall into the trap of some fucking stupid shit like that. Rich Radical followed me. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. 61,000. I think we're about to beat what we had yesterday. I think it was 64K we ended up on for yesterday. And we're about to beat that. This is fucking insane. Michelle's still going. 12.7. 12.7. Bro, why are you trading the shit session? It does actually kind of look like I'm trading NASDAQ right now when I'm not actually doing that. And I trade all the time. Doesn't matter what fucking time it is, unless I'm trading indices, which I'm not. I'm gonna check how many fucking likes we ended up on yesterday. I can't remember. We had 30 something followers too. The followers definitely fucking helped. We got yeah, sure. Let's have a look. I'm out of that. Man. Here's one. I'm gonna buy. I might fucking drag this motherfucker down here. I don't know. It's 5 minutes. Oh. No, that's way too fucking low. I'm gonna keep it at last week's high. That's not even enough. Yeah, it's nowhere near enough. I'll sit at that. Well, there's a US dollar card. What else do we have? I'm in fucking heaps of trades. New Zealand dollar card, which I probably should have gotten out of. Yesterday's high, but I didn't actually know that was yesterday's high because the high finished at the very end of the fucking day. I'm happy at last week's high again too. We got CAD news tonight, so we'll see what happens. We might pump. Pound US dollar shorts. We can. That's a good short. That's a really good short. I'm happy with that. Yeah, that's a good short. Here's one I'm in multiple of that I was meant to get out of last night, but I did not. I did not. So I manually entered a position like here, putting my break even a lot higher, and I should have gotten out around here, but I missed it. So we're hovering around, this is our break even line, we're kind of hovering around here. I might pull out yesterday's low, just with a little bit of profit. No, I won't, I'll let it run. We are at multiple highs. I'm going to let that run down to here, although we might just sit in this fucking little range for a little bit. I find it hard to believe we're going to come back up here. And if we do, it's going to be maybe to fill this. I cannot see us getting back up here at all. Yeah. I don't see that happening. So, we'll see. Anyway, there's one. Oh, a couple trades. I'm in heaps of shit. I'm just always in trades. Why do you only trade during the day and not at night? What? You know the guy you just blocked? No, I don't. I don't give a shit. He's a fucking scammer. Bitcoin, we can look at Bitcoin. And I don't show my money. I can tell you percentages or show you percentages, but I don't show money. Girl Stuff 2029, thank you very much for following. And CHR, thank you very much for following too. look at Bitcoin. Well, I'm actually curious to see how Bitcoin's doing. We're at all-time highs. What's going to happen from here, eh? Gold or Bitcoin. I don't trade either, so short 11 Bitcoin. Yeah, doing lad. Not much. What are you up to? Be cautious to those who are afraid to show P&L. I'm not afraid. It's just somebody's never heard of tax. Show signals. Thank you very much for following me. And you're obviously new in here, so I don't really care. Selling short. Well, I mean, you can buy or sell the market. It doesn't matter. It's an exchange. So, like, if you go to a market, right, someone's going to be selling and someone's going to be buying. It's kind of like the same thing. The market's very much similar. It's just the exchange is through your broker. Rolex followed. Thank you very much. How do you trade on Robinhood? I don't trade on Robinhood, so I don't know. No clue. And I don't want to give advice about shit that I have no idea about. Thoughts on XRP long swings? We'll have a look, eh? But XRP, try to start trading on stake. Were you the one that brought up stake last night? Long swings on XRP is probably the only way you can fucking make money. Like, reliably. I mean, even that's not reliable, because who fucking knows what's going to happen with this shit? Like, literally, who fucking knows? Because I don't, and you don't. Nobody fucking knows. So, unless you have, like, some super inside knowledge of someone that's very, 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 very wealthy, yeah, you got no idea. Especially with crypto, there's not enough data. There's not enough reliable data to know what's going to happen next. I haven't been here for a little bit. True. Yeah, I know your name, but someone started talking about stake last night, and I'd never even fucking heard of it, to be honest. Made 20K my first month. I don't know if I believe that, I'm not gonna lie. How much was your capital? Because that's a shitload of fucking money. And, I mean, if you were smart, you wouldn't tell me. But, yeah. It's a lot of money for first month. So 24 hours in a day, how many hours are you looking at your computer? 70K likes, we wiped out our previous. That's fucking insane. Can we get 30K more by the end of the day? Maybe. How many hours a day am I looking? I mean, it depends. So when I started doing the whole, I decided I wanted to do like a mentorship and do everything. It was like 14 to 16 hours every day. Trading, 1 to 3. It depends if I'm trading indices or not. If I'm trading indices, it'll be about 3 to 4 hours. But at the moment with Forex, very infrequently. Because it is a bot, so it does the majority of the work for me. I just have to monitor and know what positions I'm in. At the moment, maybe maybe 10 hours at the moment. But it's always on. It's fucking always on, and I'm always here. So, yeah, maybe 10 at the moment. Things are looking good. Yeah, I mean, yeah, shit. It's just a brokerage. Yeah, I heard, yeah. Checked it out yesterday. Better for spot, but I think XRP, I don't know. I don't really fucking trust any of this shit, to be honest. Who fucking knows? Forex, nice. You can trade US and Oz stocks on it. Yeah, I saw that. It's pretty interesting. I mean, trade US stocks on here too. What are you trading at the moment since all markets are closed right now? All markets aren't closed right now. And Forex. I trade Forex. Ugh. I don't know why. This one tastes like shit. For some reason, this tastes like absolute shit. Oh yeah, you know what I noticed? When I don't wear a hat, I get so many more viewers. When I put on a hat, viewership explodes. I don't get any viewers when I have a fucking hat on. It's so bizarre. So bizarre. Well, the US and Oz markets are closed right now, yeah. London isn't. London's open. Buy or sell? Buy or sell what? Buy. Try Rilex. What's that? Oh, whoops. Rolex. Try Rolex. What about Rolex? Do you like Rolexes, I presume? Do spread fees or commission fees dominate the broker you use? What do you mean by dominate? Dominate the broker. My spreads and commissions are fuck all. Like, I don't even fucking notice that shit half the time. Spread sometimes on open or, you know, large news events or some shit like that. If I'm trading the indices. But for Forex, doesn't fucking bother me at all. Spreads can be an issue if you're in for too long. Spread fees. But besides that, like, doesn't really matter. And the majority of brokers, I mean, depends how, like, the higher the time frame, the less that shit really matters. Spreads, I mean, commissions, yeah, and swap, I guess, but yeah, doesn't really bother me. Doesn't bother me at all. Fucking hell. Michelle's about to hit 15k. Has she just been sitting there hitting the like button all fucking night? Charles Oliveira Burner got to 10k and called it quits. Michelle's hitting 15k right now, which is just, that's the most likes anyone's ever given me. So thank you very much, Michelle. She's been here for a very long time. Good job, you hit 15k. You can stop now, it's all good. Like, I feel fucking bad. Inner Health Plus, almost 7 fucking thousand. Rapid Drop Bear, 5k. Matty B, 3.5. Sienna, 2.2. Annie Meritocracy. Meritocrat. I don't even know if that's a fucking word. Never heard of it. Jesus, 2k. Speedy, 1k. Fucking nuts. absolutely fucking crazy, you guys. Like, holy shit. That's fucked. Fucking nuts, man. My strategy worked again, London Open. Nice. Good job. I thought the spread was the difference between the sell and the buy. Why is there a fee? Spread. 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 I don't know if you can see that. It's the difference between the bid and ask price. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Oh, that's your spread. So just use a raw account with zero or floating spread. You can do that. What you think will happen with Bitcoin in the following days? I don't have a time machine, so I got fucking no idea. And the shit's so manipulated that fucking who knows. It will potentially break all-time highs. Potentially. Because all this is just people buying in, you know. Institution see it's doing well, oh, maybe we'll fucking jump in on this shit. Every man and their dog seeing that fucking Bitcoin's pumping. It's just, the thing is, I haven't seen much about Bitcoin coming up to all-time highs. I really haven't. Nobody's really talking about it. So whether or not we get a big fucking pullback from this, from everyone taking profits, because when everyone's buying, they need to take their profits, right? Everyone's in profit right now, which usually what happens is you get these moves down. Everybody's taking profit. Everybody's taking profit. Everybody's taking profit. Oh, we're back up. Got to take profit. All these people that bought down here and rode this wave up to here, they got to take profit. They got to sell. So it's when shit like this happens, and then here we go again. To make your profit, you have to turn into a seller. Which then means that there's usually a pullback. And that's represented quite well on something like the Fibonacci tool. Do something like this. The majority of the time, you'll get a 23.6, a 38.2, 50. Rarely you get a 61.8, but it happens. And then sometimes you get a full A-shaped recovery. It happens. That's just common things that you see very often when trading. Retracement. Retracement. Everybody's going to take profit at some point. How much people are going to take out? If they're taking partials, institutions taking massive amounts of money out to take profits, you never know. You got fucking absolutely zero clue. You do not know what people are going to do. So it's just got to do with the buying pressure. How much pressure is there? How many people are buying? What if we get like a little flag break, you know, a 23 retracement, and then people just continue to buy it, There's not much hype around Bitcoin right now, and all Bitcoin is just hype. You know, so, and a lot of cryptos. Yes, it has some uses, but the majority of, you know, shitloads of people buying the fuck out of it is from hype. We could just be sitting in a range for fucking the next however long, years. because we can't break out of this level because there's not enough volume. There's not enough money coming into Bitcoin to be able to fucking push it up higher. There's not enough people trading it. It just really depends. And no one can ever know. No one knows. Unless you have fucking insider knowledge. Which pretty much no one does. We are almost at 100k. We got 18k likes to go. Is Jing up then down? Is going up then down? I don't know what you're saying. We are almost at 100 fucking k likes. If we can hit 100k, that's like a huge milestone. That's fucking insane. In short, nah, I'm not touching this shit. I actually have a little bit of Bitcoin. Red or green? Red or green or what? Francesca Roma, thank you very much for following. Can you suss out core weave? Yeah. Did I do that before? I feel like maybe I didn't. Am I looking at the actual company or are they publicly listed? Let's see if I got it on here. I might not. Might need to update this broke. I don't know if they update their stocks or whatever, but it's like a old as fuck live account that I used to have with Darwin X. But they have lots of stocks, and lots of people want to look at stocks. So, I don't have it though. What can I look at it on? Don't make me go on fucking TradingView. Oh shit. Okay. My eyes hurt. Holy shit. Damn. How do you do this shit again? Shift, I think it is, yeah. Jesus. Fucking hell. Man, fuck, if you got in, even up here, you'd psychologically get broken down here though. You'd probably pull all your fucking money out. Right? Oh, damn! Yeah. A lot of money there. Personally think TTWO will double when GTA 6 drops. I don't even know what TTWO is. I hate this fucking shit song. TTWO. Check, okay. Is it like Rockstar? I don't know what the fuck that even is. Again, I don't do stocks, so I don't pay attention to fucking half of this shit. Lapser, thank you very much for following. Crazy money to be made, yep. What you trading, S&P 500, Forex, not trading the indices at the moment. It's Take Two, the owners of Rockstar, true. Thought you trade stocks, no. Nah, I say this all the time. I don't trade stocks. Indices and Forex, but I'm not trading Forex. Indices at the moment, so yeah. And possibly, like, it can go either way, right? You really never know. It could fucking... Think about what happened with... what's it called? Cyberpunk. Imagine if some shit happened like Cyberpunk with GTA. Oh, Birdchop sent 3 more roses. Thank you very much, Birdchop. Thank you. Please explain what indices and Forex is. Forex is just foreign exchange markets, currencies. Indices are index funds, which is NASDAQ, 500, Dow Jones, fucking FTSE, DAX, shit like that, right? So it's like the largest stocks in specific sectors, automotive, industrial, fucking tech, shit like that. So yeah, I don't pay attention to the individual stocks on what's happening on the individual stocks on the indices. I don't really give a shit. Holy shit. Birdchop, what's with all the gifts today? Birdchop sent a tofu, Birdchop sent a rose. Fucking hell. Thank you very much, Birdchop. I appreciate that a lot. Lots of gifts today, so thank you. We got 14k likes. I don't know if we're going to hit that in 13 minutes. What do you trade the days for? What? Are you going to move to Dubai? Who knows? Not the worst idea. I need to do a video this week for TikTok. So I don't post shit on TikTok. GTA 6 is nothing compared to Cyberpunk. Yeah, I mean, yeah. But how long did Cyberpunk take to develop, you know? Nine years. And then GTA 6. Has only been going for fucking 5 years or whatever. I think. I don't know if that makes more sense. I don't know if that makes sense at all. But, you know. I know GTA makes a lot better games than fucking whoever made Cyberpunk, but yeah. Sticks Crypto, thank you very much for following me. Nowhere near as long as GTA 6 has taken. How much have you made from trading? $1 trillion. Nah, bro, it's been developed since GTA 5 dropped. Has it though? I just looked it up and... Okay, this is a different answer. It's worth noting that Red Dead Redemption 2 came out in 2018, so we're probably looking at the total development time for GTA 6 of at least 8 years by the time it comes out. GTA 6's development cost so far is estimated to be over $1 billion, which could make it the most expensive video game of all time. And obviously, like, I know that fucking Rockstar's gonna make a better game, but, you know, you never know. It could fucking completely flop. Fucking billion. Yeah, light money. Light money. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Fuck, I don't know if we're gonna, reach 100k likes by the time because I gotta make dinner. I gotta put shit in the slow cooker for 6 hours. So, and I gotta do that soon because I'll be eating dinner at fucking 2 o'clock in the morning. Holy likes, I know. What up, Rad Dog? Look at the fucking... It's crazy, eh? I'm trying to get to 100k by 2 hours. And you know what's actually crazy? We actually have a goal of 100k likes that I would just I just didn't think, like, I was just like, nah, there's no way, you know? There's literally just no way. Bro, I'm pretty sure you asked this before. No. What are you cooking? I don't know. I'm just gonna fucking throw like a bunch of meat and shit in the slow cooker and just fucking put something on. I don't know. I got a bunch of meat, so we'll just throw it in there. Do I do mentoring? Yeah, I do. Nah, order flow for tax reasons. I'm sure you're not illiterate in that thing. Let's have a look at you. 69 followers, okay. 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 No. I actually don't know how to trade. I've never traded in my life. I've never traded in my life. And I have a new account, so my monthly P&L is literally my deposit into my new account. I have one from... Let me see. Let me see if I have like... Just go on my Discord. Go on my Discord and look at... I used to post my results, and then I got stopped because I got in trouble. So I actually like legitimately can't. Trust me, man. I don't need your fucking approval. Sorry, but I don't. And I don't really give a shit if people don't think I'm the real deal. Like, I actually don't care. Ask, like, any of the regulars in here, they'll tell you. Like, I literally don't give a shit. And you can go in my Discord and go look at my old P&Ls. Before I literally got told I can't do it anymore. So, sorry, I'm not gonna take to the likings of some random fucking person on TikTok and risk a bunch of shit just for you. So, yeah. Sorry, just not gonna do it. And I've explained it a million fucking times. But if you don't like it, you can leave. I don't care. Who's spamming likes? Who is spamming them? Is Michelle still going? Charles Oliveira's back. Cena Steed. What city are you in? Brisbane? Brizzy. But everyone should actually leave. Everyone should leave the stream because I'm a fake or some shit. I can't catch up with the likes. What do you mean? You can't catch up to... There's no way you're catching Michelle. Absolutely no way. Absolutely fucking no way. But we're close. We got 4. Yeah, I know you are top 3. You guys are fucking absolutely insane. And thank you guys so fucking much. Like, I've never seen some shit like that. Ever. So, thank you. Fucking crazy, man. Why does that always open on fucking there? Oh, I'm fucking literally typing to you right now. What the fuck? Speedy. I know, we're about to hit 100k. Yeah, nah, sorry, that's all from me. I can't keep up with these young kids tapping away. Right. Fucking insane. Yeah, Speedy, we can, I mean, man, just use some of your profits to get out of some of the positions would be my recommendation. If you're worried about anything, like, that's all I can really recommend. I don't know what the fuck is happening here. Yeah, we got a double bottom. W pattern. We're not really going anywhere further than this level here, it seems. And there will probably be a lot of sideways shit until news drops. Now, this is the thing. News can either fucking boom or boom. You got fucking no idea. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Or it can continue to do that. Might have a little pump, retracement. No idea. Absolutely no idea. We're expecting a drop on month for the CPI for the Canadian dollar. What that does, who knows? We don't know what numbers are going to come out. That's why there's a lot of this fucking just choppy bullshit nobody wants to get in right now. 97k, we're almost at 100. We're fucking almost at 100k. Like, that's nuts. Come on, hit the fucking 100k. Come on. Hurry the fuck up. Come on. There we go. W. Put a fucking W. 100k. 100k fucking likes. That is absolutely fucking insane. That is absolutely fucking insane. 100k fucking likes. Thank you guys very much for 100k likes. Michelle, Charles, Inner Health Plus, The Rapid Dropout, Matty B, Cena Steed, Bert Chop at 3k, Sienna, Annie, fucking hell, guys. That is fucking crazy. Did we hit it right? Well, I think we did right before 2 hours. We did right before 2 hours. We hit 100k. And we ticked this one off. I did not think we were going to get that. We ticked that shit the fuck off the list. Michelle. Yeah, fucking thank you so much. Like, holy shit. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy. Thank you very much. Like, holy actual, what the fuck. Thank you very much, everyone. Just another milestone achieved. Yep, 100k, Lucas. We hit it. That's fucking nuts. As a beginner, should I connect an Oanda broker to my trading view, or should I use a different trader? I don't particularly like trading view. That's my opinion. Are you American? I presume if you're using Oanda. Think I'm on buys on CAD Yen. Scary pair to trade, but yeah, I mean, that's not the worst buy, to be honest. That really isn't the worst buy. We're already pretty extended down here. We were looking at this earlier, from these rejection points or whatever. And then I think I did say earlier we could see a W pattern, I think. I can't really remember. I looked at so many fucking pairs today. I don't even remember. Yeah, okay. I don't care if you follow me. Goodbye. W, thank you, Bird Chop. Bruh, that's good. No way, 100k likes, yeah. Trading view, I don't know, just, you gotta pay for shit. Fucking, I don't know. I just don't like it. And algorithmic trading, so like virtually impossible there. Using a bot. So much easier to develop on MT4. How much have you made from trading? Approximately $63 trillion. And it's the Euro, USD and Euro GBP that's got me a little concerned. Yeah, I mean, Euro pounds, I fucking hate trading Euro pound. You're in sells though, right? That's not the worst. That's not the worst sell. If you can get out at break even around here, I would. I don't know if you can, but if we get another push down, yeah, no one wants to fucking do anything right now, but if we can get a push down to here, I'd be getting out there. That's what I've been doing. And Euro USD, I mean, yeah, we've gone over that fucking 300 times. Are you in profit yet on this, or even close to break even? What's the P&L at the moment? Thank you for the screenshot as well, Speedy. That's fucking mad, man. That's absolutely fucking insane. Absolutely crazy. Okay, fuck, back up here. I'd be wanting to get out of Euro CAD flat. And Euro USD, I suppose. Yeah, fuck. As flat as you can get, I'd just get out, to be honest. That's just my opinion. And that wouldn't even be, even if news wasn't coming out, I would still be saying that. Because it's with, you know, minimum lot sizes, it's too much. But we're breaking into, as you can see, Euro pound 0.03. We're breaking into a couple non-minimum lot sizes, which is good. We take that. It's free though. Yeah, but there's a lot of paid shit. O's plus 500, would I recommend it? No. 63 trillion, yeah. Thank you, Bird Chop, for sharing. Bint Muaz, thank you very much for following. Whoa, 100K. I know, bro. I fucking know. What the actual fuck was that? Absolutely crazy. Still following the EA, just adding a little extra risk. Yeah, we're fucking 6,000 pairs. Toshi, technical analysis, please. I'll do it anyway because I'm feeling good from the 100K, but I don't even know what the fuck that is, to be honest. Yes. What the fuck is this? Does this have any volume? Does anyone buy this shit? I don't even know what this is. Meme coin. After the co-founder of Coinbase's Brian Armstrong's cat. Oh. I don't fucking know what I'm looking at. It's the same here. It's the same one. It's just Australian dollars, I suppose. $12 pairs, I think I have running. Too much. Or at least try and diversify them to be not all fucking Euro pairs or some shit. Just, yeah, try and get one of each. I'm in at 0.03. Oh, you're in at 0.003. This will be a different so I don't know what the fuck it would be, but I presume you probably made some money off it, so good job. But yeah, I don't really do the meme coin shit, to be honest. Sorry, Mr. Worldly. 12 pairs, I think you should eat frozen grapes. What the fuck? I didn't know. Yeah, 3x so far. Nice, good job. Oh, I'm off. I'm getting the fuck off. It's been 2 hours. I got shit to do. So thank you guys all for supporting today. Worldly, thank you very much for following. I really appreciate 100 fucking K likes. All the gifts, Burt Chop, Matty B, Burt Chop, Sienna, Jesus, more Burt Chop, FYP, the Rapid Drop Pair, and Michelle. And thank you to all the top likers, top gifters, everything. I really appreciate that. This was such a good stream. What did I make in the 2 hours? What do you mean? Good night, Diddy. Thanks for sharing your opinion. Enjoy your night. No worries. You guys enjoy your night too. I'll be on Discord. If you're not on the Discord, get in the fucking Discord. Return. I don't know what you're talking about. I gotta go. Guys don't lie, Chico. Meow. Ooh, I'll be on Discord if you need me. See you guys tomorrow. Meow.